no need to dry on the sunlight. Just a shade is there for that. Then after boil with this flour, water, then you can drink that one. So that you will get a eye vision clearly and good for your brain. This is one of the ingredients of Brahmi. Brahmi is protecting from here to top. Ashwagandha is protecting here to down. Okay, Ashwagandha is good for body. Ashwagandha is immunity booster. Brahmi is the memory booster. Is good for brain. It's controlling our central nerve system. Ashwagandha is controlling our peripheral nervous system. Okay, so we have to go next one. This bay leaf and the cinnamon. Bay leaf and cinnamon. The same plant. From the same plant, these both we are collecting. See, it's a peppermint. We have many tulasis. Tulasis means many tulasis we have it here, like Krishna tulasi, Mindu tulasi, Karim tulasi, Karpur tulasi, Indra tulasi. Such a different varieties putting together and making an oil. This is the medicine for permanent solution for sinus and migraine, headache. Someone have a headache. What should you do? Like this, you use your finger like this. Where is coming now? This finger. That area you put the 5 milli there, and overnight just make it gentle massage before sleep or before bath. So you should to apply for 4 months. It will completely curable. You will get from the sinus and migraine, headache. The intake you take, the Brahmi is better. And one of the Indra Tulasi also there. That Indra Tulasi we are making an oil. That one temporary relief you will get from headache or nose block, or someone is while traveling time getting vomiting. No, someone is using lemon. No need to lemon. Just smell it. It is stopping the test. Yeah. Next one. Nelium, indigo plant. Indigo plant, this is a natural hair dye. Someone is using hair dye, no? And chemical, if regularly using, in future that will cause for cancer, something like that. That's why better to even ladies and gents using most of the time we go to beauty parlor and applying for beauty purpose we using that chemical. No? This is affecting your kidney and liver in general also in the future. That's why you should apply natural things like kungumadu, saffron oil. Then after that's kasuri turmeric, lal chandra, that's in the red sand. It's better. That's a good. The hyaluronic acid, red aloe vera. That's very good for your beauty. This is the indigo. This is one of the ingredients of the hair oil. And someone have the white hair, no, it will become make it black. So that hair oil you using for dandruff, alopecia, dry scalp, limited hair fall thickening, and that all these such things will stop and it helps to grow the hair from your scalp. I will show you other ingredients also. This is a pepper. Pepper right now is 2 months old. After 7 months we will pluck it and we directly put in the sunlight, it goes for black. So we plucked it and we put in the hot water and remove that green cover and put in the sunlight, goes for white pepper. This both from one plant.
Medicinal chemistry ಮತ್ತೆ
Bringera is the main pillar of the hair oil. Again, dandruff, alopecia. Somebody suffering with diabetic in your home or what? Family?
Yeah, everybody has a diabetic patient in home.
In Ayurveda, good remedy for that. See, look at here. Especially in Karnataka, the land is there is a land having this type of the plant. This name is touch me not.
Yeah, we know.
You can try it once. The leaves goes to sleep right now. Touch it.
Yeah, like what should we do with this? Like, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
I'll tell you. Yeah, see. Actually, this is the main ingredient of the sugar medicine. Many other medicines I will show you other side. Putting together and making medicine for the sugar patients. Someone is using the medicine, even injection from the since long time, for 50 years or 10 years, 100 years they are taking. No? They want to take this medicine along with that English medicine for 4 months, minimum 4 months. Within 1 month they can see the changes. Then after they can go to lab and test the HbA1c. Then give to doctor, show the doctor, and he will reduce the complete dosage. medicines. Then
Okay.
after dhire Jason, slightly we can reduce that English dose, medicine dosing, and can take out the without the medicine. Then control the food. Without medicine, they can live long. This is a claw. You can see that there. On the tip of the band, you can see the claw. Claw. Did you see it?
ಲವಂಗ ಅಲ್ಲ
Claw.
ಕ್ಲವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Lavanga. Actually, right now this is not a mature. It's a baby claw right now.
Baby
So after
claw.
that, 4 months, we make one net here. Then make it shake. At shaking time, this fell down and we collected and put it through sunlight and we dried it. Then after we use it for pulao or biryani. Actually, you will get two type of claw outside the market. That one, which is one is the black and other one is the brown.
ಓಕೆ
Don't take the black one because without oil, they remove the oil and without oil they are selling that. That's not good for our body or pulao. Okay, take the which is the brown one. That is we're having the oil.
Okay.
That's good for our body. This is good
ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ
for our teeth. Some have toothache, bleeding, bad smell, color. There is something we can remove through this claw oil.
ಸೊ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರೋದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು
Hair oil. Hair oil.
ಆಗಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೋ 20-30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು 2 GB ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ
You can look at the top. You can see such a one fruit like a lemon. Just look at the top. Side.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
Is it lemon?
ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ
Looking like a lemon, right?
ಯಾ
But it's not a lemon. It's a jaiki, normal. Japatri jaiki.
ಜಾಪತ್ರೆಕಾಯಿ
Actually, inside the shell, there is having one seed. That is a japatri. Jaiki. On the seeds, there is one cover. That is a japatri. This is basic for garam masala biryani. Again, in Kerala, we are the shell we are using for making pickle. Yeah. Look at the berry. Looking like a berry. Kannada people, they knows very well because in Coorg you can see the coffee.
ಕಾಫಿ
This is a coffee plant.
ಕಾಫಿ
Coffee, there is
ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್
varieties. Arabica, Robusta. The Robusta is the very small bush like coming. This is the Arabica is a very highly growing, but high growing and it's good for very tasty. If someone have no piles or no BP, you can have every morning cup of coffee is better. The pure one is better. You will get the coffee in market that is mixed with something.
ಚಿಕೋರಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಚಿಕೋರಿ
You should take the pure one or from Coorg or like this at a BP or something. It's better.
So coffee powder without chicory we can have?
Yes. See, Brahmi. This is a queen of Ayurveda. King of Ayurveda is Ashwagandha. Queen of Ayurveda, Brahmi, looking like a Brahmi hair oil. Are you heard about the hair oil? Brahmi. Actually, that from other plant. This plant we are using for memory booster. Memory booster. Controlling our. This is a prevention all the diseases for our head, and it's good for eye vision, ear balance, speech and glove, smell sense, and prevention of stroke, clotting. Even someone have a tension, high tension, IBP, something, prevention of stroke clotting. Stroke clotting and paralysis, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, in so many hypermania. Someone have guza, jada hungry. Controlling that. Then after this is good for tension, hypertension, BP, stress, anxiety. If you working with an IT, you should.
Yeah, we all IT people only.
Especially for someone using.
We always have that. All the problems you said we have.
Especially someone using the specs, no, it helps because it's protecting your visual cortex. That's if someone is not using without specs also, you should take the premise protecting your eyes. Don't want to, in future you don't want to use the specs like that. Such a people are using the specs, no. Right now this premise not doing anything because in future this lens will not increasing because of premise.
Like how should we use this to like reduce all those you said?
They'll give the medicine for that.
Medicine. Already we started from there now with the blue flower.
Okay.
Blue flower, this Brahmi, and this type of the banana is Ayurvedic bananas, and Vayamba, this sweet fly is there.
Tablets.
Yeah, tablets.
Yeah.
See,
So this is all
Marketing.
promotion.
Marketing. Who is marketing manager?
So they are promoting the basic ingredients here.
sweet flag also. Someone have stammering, na?
Uh-huh.
This is all.
Lemon leaf?
No, not a lemon leaf. This is stammering
Sweet
issues because
flag anta.
in South India, most of the people, the infant babies, they are giving with honey this, for the speaking. It's not a marketing, yeah. It's a only advice.
Okay.
Not coming
No,
to
just
take it.
yeah.
Explaining the ingredients.
See,
Okay.
this is the GN Colotro. GN Colotro is a medicine for varicose veins. Varicose.
Oh, varicose veins.
Okay, varicose vein, there is a
A
transfer.
veins which will be visible on the skin, just like a green color, black color.
Yeah.
It will be visible.
There is chance for operation, but after operation it will become again. For price will go. But permanently it is making the curable from this oil. Should take normal massage from up to down, but it should do from the down to up for minimum 4 months. And the severe condition having something, someone have severe condition, take intake medicine also.
ಅದೊಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
Hmm.
ಅದು ಇದೆ
Oh.
See, aloe vera.
Okay.
Everyone knows the aloe vera. I don't want to spend time for the aloe vera. I want to give you one information. So aloe vera is very different aloe vera we have it here. That is the one aloe vera is a red aloe vera. That is a very big. Inside the gel, that one is a red. That's a natural use for the beauty purpose with the hyaluronic acid. That's most of the actors they are using for beauty. You should to avoid that chemical things. Otherwise, in future you will get facing more problems. This aloe vera we can use. Don't cut and use directly because maybe someone is getting the problems. That's why you make a 5 to 7 time wash and add with glycerin and then use. We can use like for body moisturizer and for
Face.
So more after shave. Excuse me, sir. Please. After shave,
For
heel
hair.
pack and for hair. Okay. In our market, local market, we will get more aloe vera juice. But regularly don't intake more aloe vera because if you take it regularly, aloe vera juice it goes for affecting your kidney. Maybe the kidney will fail also.
Okay.
Where is red aloe vera?
Aloe vera is other side.
It's on the other side.
It's looking like a small plant inside. Ashwagandha looking like a small one, but it's a Raja, king of Ayurveda. This is from here to down, controlling, preventing all the diseases. Especially this is for that immunity booster. And someone who is suffering with always sickness, they should take that one. They can pick out all the medicines and they don't want to go always regularly hospital because of aloe vera. So they will get the power, horsepower of their bodies. Good for body strength, bone strength, the muscles, height, weight, bone strength. If someone, the hereditary diseases someone have, you should take this maybe you couples right now, you married or you next time for future in your children's, your parents' diseases will go to there. This is cutting the hereditary diseases.
Okay.
Okay. This is a jungli adrak, wild ginger, shell ginger, we can call this.
What
This
is
a
it?
medicine for ginger. It's a medicine for indigestion, inflammation, constipation.
Okay.
Some burning sensation. Whatever the gastric issues, it's a medicine for that.
We don't have any this one, right? Like
Yes, sir.
what you call it? Kaigenantara product. Ginger.
Display.
No.
Display that one.
No, this is a leaf, right?
Yeah, no. This one means from down only.
ಕೆಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
Oh, okay. It's under the ground.
Ginger.
Okay.
ಜಿಂಜರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು
ಹೌದಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್
See, these all decoration plant. So we can call this one lady's shoe flower. So looking like a lady's shoe flower. This. So listen. Look here. So one other name also we have is Mysore trumpet lily.
ಮೈಸೂರು
Trumpet lily.
Mysore trumpet lily. Why it is Mysore? Mysore is what Mysore is doing in Kerala?
Mysore we have. Mysore there is more.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇರಳದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ.
This is the
ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
excuse me. Want
Long.
no. We want
Long pepper.
Ududa.
This is the pepper, pippari. So one of the member of the pepper family, long pepper is good, reducing heat from our bone, cooling system.
ಓ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೆಪ್ಪರು ಹೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಉದ್ದ ಪೆಪ್ಪರು ಕಡಿಮೆ
This
ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
is the
ಇದೇನೋ
Adulsa. Adulsa is a medicine for dust allergy, smoke allergy, sardi, cough, kasi, asthma, bronchitis. Someone using the asthma
Inhaler.
cough, no?
Yeah.
Inhaler is the medicine from the taking root from our body. This
Okay.
is also patiyar. Looking like a crocodile skin, na?
Yeah.
This is a medicine for thyroid, hypo and hyper.
Both can be used.
Someone have affecting the thyroid issues, hair falls is there, they will get getting fat and
Yeah.
lean, tiredness, ಶ್ವಾಸ ಲಯನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಷ್ಕುಲ್.
ಎರಡು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಕ್ಕ? ಹೆನ್ನ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಿಂದು.
ಮೇಬಿ.
Always we are goes to shower, no? In every bathroom we have there scrubber with plastic, right? But
ಹೌದು,
this is
ಹುಲ್ಲು
the
ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
natural scrubber for them, protecting your skin.
Okay.
Okay, natural scrubber. Someone have muscle cramps, that's a medicine for that, a very small one. Muscle.
ಇದು
Weld grape. Muscle cramps.
Weld grape.
This is the musli.
Musli.
For couples, it's very helps to couples.
Eucalyptus, Tasmania blue gym.
You know, no, eucalyptus is behind that. Small one.
Okay.
This is musli.
ಮುಸ್ಲಿ.
Musli. Ladies having more issues with the gynec. Regular period, white discharging, PCOD, PCOD.
Huh.
Same like because of the hormonal issues. Same like gents also having issues
Mm-hmm.
because of the timing. The main thing is the timing because of the food and the lifestyle. When someone have issues with the timing, motility, strength, length, and performance, is a good solution for them.
Musli.
Yeah, span quality, span count, good work. You will get at least the guys, no? Boys right now, because of the food, because of the lifestyle, the span is out within 3 minutes, 4 minutes. At least the time ladies they wanted 20 to 30 minutes, at least 45 minutes. So more than that time you will get through this musli.
Is this ingredient used in Viagra?
This is not for Viagra.
No, that is
Just asking.
just asking. We like
Viagra is a chemical.
whatever
Completely
the
chemical.
Complete
results you are saying, that is like for all those they use the tablets, right?
Yeah. But tablets also means making like a easy for consume. That's why we make for the tablets.
Mm-hmm.
See, actually in Viagra, if once you take the Viagra, no, always you should take the Viagra. For every day you should take Viagra.
Okay.
You will go into addict.
Okay.
You cannot to next time you 1 month continuously you take the Viagra, no?
Mm-hmm.
Second month you should to take Viagra. Without a Viagra cannot to do anything.
Oh.
That's why don't go for Viagra. But if you're taking
Nobody is going. That's
no. If you're taking this musli, no, at least for 5 years it's enough for one time. For 2 months, 3 months like that. No, means this one is one time going to take. See, this is the big cardamom plant. This one, big cardamom coming on the top, small cardamom coming on the down on it. The big cardamom mostly using in North India. Kalavana. Also making a medicine. There behind the this plant, as you can see the cashew.
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ.
Yeah. This
ಯಾವ್ದು cashew?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರೋದು
no cashew is there. This is a tea plant.
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Tea plant there is 3 types of tea having. This is a black tea. We are using this leaf for black tea. This we are using for green tea. This is using for a white tea. White tea, very expensive. When the French people or German people coming and they are not taking black tea or green tea, they are taking only white tea. This is antioxidant, so helps to reduce your
How you
body weight.
differentiate white,
The
red,
very small,
green?
very small one is the white. The next level is the green, and the big one is the small. These leaves we not using.
This you are not using?
Not using.
ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋ.
See? This name is Movila Sticky Desmond. This is the medicine for uric acid problem, gout arthritis. You know gout arthritis?
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
A small joints getting the pain.
ಹಾಂ
Because of the hereditary or someone too much non-veg or so
Drinking.
people.
ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಡೆ.
All the issue.
ಇದು ಚಂದ ಐತೆ ನೋಡು.
ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷ.
This is a Rudraksha tree. Look at on my face. You can see my eyes, right? I can see your eyes on your face. So how we can recognize the which plant is the Rudraksha tree? So you can see the eyes on the tree. You can find it eyes. Can you find it eyes on the tree?
Yeah.
1 eye, 2 eye, 3 eye.
ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ
That's why we are.
ಕಣ್ಣು
Actually, this
ಕಾಣಬೇಕು.
is a highly powerful tree. That's why we are worshipping Lord Shiva. Actually, one face, 2 face, and 5 face. Even at least you can use the 5 face better and the puja. And that's you will get luck in your family life, and you will every negative energy
acts
we
as
can
a
take out
medicine.
from our body. Huh?
It acts as a medicine.
Yeah,
You have to
body. If the power you can see, just keep it to your that Rudraksha, no? It's Kumar. It's rounding that. Highly powerful. If you are making any issues in your work or neighbors, someone every time fighting, tension. Do one thing, just make it, keep it somewhere and pray. For sure, better. And somebody using mala, no? Yeah, you're using, no? The small one.
Small one is enough. Our parents were
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಒನ್.
from Kashi.
See, this is the main ingredient, one of the main ingredients of hair growth. This is helping to grow the root from scalp. Ingredient of the hair oil.
ಓಕೆ
ಒಂದು ಕಿರಿಯಣ್ಣ
ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕಿತ್ತಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ, ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಕಡೆ ಜಗ್ಗೆ ಐತ್ ಕಣದು.
ಏನಿದೆ?
ರೆಡ್ ಅಲೋವೆರಾ.
This one used for skin glow. Don't use that. Don't go for that chemical items. In future you will get facing many issues. This is the better for your glow. Night gel is better.
We want plant.
You can apply in night.
No, I want the plant. It's available.
Which one is better, white or red?
You know Marayur.
Which one is better, white or red?
And you can make one face pack or something. You can add with the white one. This is the especially for the we can pick out the skin tan, dark circles and pimples from our skins.
If you want a facial glow, use the red.
Facial. See, this is the kasturi haldi. Kasturi turmeric is not for food, not for eating. So only using for ladies' skin, not for gents. So removing unwanted hair on your face. Gents don't use because mustache and daddy stuff.
ವೆಲ್ ಗಾನ್.
So that's why don't use. Use with aloe vera and red sandal powder. You can make a face pack.
ಗೋಪುರಂ ಅರ್ಶನ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲೇನು?
ಗೋಪುರಂ ಅರ್ಶನ
Vanilla tree. So vanilla is coming over here and already plugged it. This vanilla is after processing.
Vanani.
So vanilla ice cream.
ವೆನಿಲಾ. ಓ ವೆನಿಲಾ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮು.
Yes, it's a
ವೆನಿಲಾ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಗಿಡ.
It's like a beans.
ಓಕೆ.
Can you show one bean?
One right now already all plug. All plug.
Only one plant is there?
One plant. The plantation there is more.
Where is the plantation?
Plantation 1 to 4.
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಿನ್.
You know Marayur, Kandalur, towards to Coimbatore.
Yeah, first time to
This is a normal banana tree. So we are using for the Ayurvedic medicine.
What is this flower?
Here it is.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ತಲೆ.
ಓ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತೆ.
Plastic. You can see on there. It's like a plastic. So feels like his name is a torch ginger lily.
Torch.
It belongs to Thailand jungles. We can see in Assam also. Actually, the first stage that one, after that coming leaves, then after goes to that way. That there is a seeds now. From the seeds there is a getting
Again,
oil. This
oil.
is one of the under ingredient of the hair oil. Like a turmeric plant. It's not a turmeric. Okay, it's a cardamom. Cardamom there is two types, which is the one I shows other side. That's a coming on the top. That's a black cardamom. This is a small cardamom coming on the bottom side. Okay, this cardamom mostly we are using in all over the world. Actually, daily we can use one cardamom daily. It's good for our health. I will tell you, because you regularly using after you goes to 50 years old, you can, whenever someone is looking at you, you like it 30 years, reducing your 10 or 20 years age.
Okay, de-aging factor is
But
there.
don't take it to more than 2 daily. You can it's a fresh you can put it, use with tea or milk or coffee. You can see on the behind that there's a cardamom is there. Cardamom down. Look at the
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ
ಎಲ್ಲೋ
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ
See, this is Sadavari. The board is there. Sadavari, the Sadam, there is the meaning of the Sadavari, the word. Sadam means 100, very means problem. It is a good solution for the 100 problems. It's medicine. Actually, it's not a medicine, it's a supplement.
Okay.
So I told you about that. The supplements we have it in 3 supplements in Ayurveda. First one is the Shugandha, next one is the Brahmi, and other one is the Sadavari. We should take at least one time in life. That's better for everyone. This is only for the ladies. Okay. So I will tell you about that. Even someone have the hormonal imbalance, because of the hormonal imbalance, they are facing many problems. Like menses time, they are getting the pain and back pain, irregular period, white discharge, PCOD, PCOS, fibroids, cramps, infertility issues. Whatever you have now, is a good solution for that. So if somebody have no issues such as which I told you that the same like that, no issues they can take. If you're taking this one, it's protecting your uterus from the diseases.
Okay.
Whenever pregnancy time, the liquid also not goes to up or not goes to down. It's good for you. It's protecting.
So all the Ayurvedic are supplements, no medicinal plants.
See, his name is Neil Koduvedi. Neil Koduvedi is the medicine for the back pain. Just to give the chance. Okay, back pain means someone have the spinal issues, spinal cord bulging, and whatever the issues have with the permanent solution for that. Centipede plant.
Centipede
This is someone have the skin allergies, rashes, psoriasis, eczema, and whatever the issues with the charma rog. इसके लिए बाहर लगाने वाला medicine. This is the medicine for that external application. Someone only using for the external, but only external using is not going cure. Not cure. Why not? You should take intake.
Okay.
Because of the blood impurification, that's why you are getting always in skin problems. That's why I'm sure other side the intake medicine is external application for the skin. This is the medicine for the sugar, diabetic, which I shows the other side, no? The one other side which is for the diabetic, no? In Tamil Nadu, all the people they are eating the leaves from this. Only the leaves they are not eating, no? It's not goes to work. All these 11 type of the plants is there. They put ingredients, put it together and make it. They want to eat like that.
All these medicines you can they cure the cancer?
Cancer, second stage is okay. But I'm not sure about that. I cannot give that guarantee for 4 or 5. Second stage I can give you that.
This one.
This is the noni.
ನೋನಿ ಅಮೃತ್ ನೋನಿ.
Someone have the cancer, no? The next generation you should take that ashwagandha. That hereditary problem is not coming again. So ashwagandha and other tablets of that you can give to them. What stage cancer is? No?
Generally
Yeah. The second stage, third stage is okay. But the fourth stage I cannot give guarantee.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ cannot cure cancer.
ನೋ ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತೀನಿ.
This noni for this juice we are using for intake medicine for skin allergies. So vadamgulli is a medicine for sciatica, joint pain, tics on ligament problem. What's the joint pain? It's a curable medicine. Paradise tree. This is a medicine for protecting our heart. Cardiac.
What is the name of that?
Vadamgulli.
Vad? Mulli.
Vadamgulli. It's a cardiac arrest, the heart attack, heart block, and it's reducing cholesterol. Yeah.
ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು
ಹಾಂ
This is the kumis. Kumis is a medicine for reducing your chubby, weight loss. Within 3 months you can reduce 7 kg. Okay. With the ashwagandha you can gain your body weight. So this is also kumis, reducing the body weight loss. This is a medicine for BP, mandar. BP.
ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇದು
Blood pressure, yeah. Actually, there is two reasons the cause of BP. One is hypertension. Someone has hypertension, BP having no, you should take the Bremis enough. This is the cholesterol. Because of the cholesterol, someone have the BP. This is a medicine for them. Cholesterol and food.
ಅವ್ರ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಗೇನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್.
See, you can see different type of banana trees here. On the top, you can see the banana. Okay. Did you seen anywhere that such a like banana? No. Wait. Actually,
I
this
have
banana name is stone banana. So this on the top, you can see the banana inside the seed. The banana, there is a seeds. We are using that seeds for medicine for kidney stone, urinary infection, prostate issues. 8 mm kidney stone, we can kick out within 70.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೀಜ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಂತ
ಅದ್ರ ಬೀಜದ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್.
ಅದ್ರ ಬೀಜ
अगर हमने खाएगा तो हमारी दांत टूटने को जैसे इसके केला बहुत पता की जैसे हार्ट रेट किडनी स्टोन यूरिनरी
Piles and fistula fistula.
को दवाई
Okay.
Some have piles, no? They goes to
और
doctor
नीचे
because
वहाँ
the
पर वो एक
doctor what they will do? They will
उसके
cut
नाम है
it.
अय्यप्पन
Operation.
Piles
After
of
operation,
fistula fistula
the root is there. That's
कैसे
why it takes 1 year, 2-3 times, or 4 times. But this is take the root from our body completely curable, not coming out. Thank you for your valuable cooperation. Our visiting is over. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Let's we have to go. And
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
my name is Shiji.
ಶಿಜಿ ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್.
See, we have to go. I will show you some samples.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
And we have, you can weaving the Kerala traditional sarees on the down.
Mhm.
Spices is there.